Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, it seems, but in a rice cooker? The latest flagship rice cookers coming from Zojirushi this year will use AI to cook rice to an individual's taste. Marketing Manager Marilyn Matsuba.
This unit has a new My Rice setting where after it's done cooking rice, you can enter what you thought about the rice, if you prefer it to be a little bit softer or harder or a little bit more chewier. By entering your opinion, the next time you use the rice cooker, it'll adjust it so that it'll try to cook it as much to your preference as possible.
And controls have been moved to the top of the cookers to save counter space and give it a sleeker look. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.